Welcome back to another video from World Technology. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below saying I've subscribed, and we'll reply as soon as we can. First up, we have DJI Maverick Mini. This mini drone weighs just 249 grams, meaning it comes under the 250 gram threshold, where drones have to be registered to the FAA. This drone is small, but still comes packed with some great features. The DJI Mini comes with a controller that holds both Android and ISO devices, making it user-friendly to everyone. The drone has a 30-minute flight time and comes with a 2.5-mile HD video transmission. The 3-axis gimbal holding a 2.7K camera allows you to record your flight or take 12-megapixel images. The drone can be folded small and compacted, making it easy to transport around. DJI Maverick Mini comes with a basic controller that can be connected to the DJI app. The drone also comes with safety features and an automatic fly-to-home function. This drone is great for anyone who is wanting to get into drones. The price for this drone starts at around $400. Here we have DJI Inspire 2. This drone is much more powerful than the drone we just saw and has appeared on film sets around the world. This drone can accelerate to 50 miles per hour in 40 seconds and reach a top speed of 58 miles per hour. The drone can follow fast-moving objects for exciting sports and action footage. The flying time for this drone is 27 minutes. The Inspire 2 is compatible with 5.2K gimbal cameras, helping you get the best footage and images that you need. The cameras fitted can support zooms from 9mm to 45mm. The infrared sensor system helps the drone automatically avoid obstacles above or below when flying. The drone comes fitted with a pilot camera that can help the user navigate and get the picture they want. DJI Inspire 2 has a self-heating system, meaning it can fly in extremely cold conditions. This drone will start at £2,500 depending on the camera you buy with it. Eachine E52 Max. This drone offers 4K recording whilst having a low price of around £100, making a great entry-level drone for those wanting to start a new hobby. Another advantage for beginners with this drone is the learning curve is short and easy, so you'll be able to get good footage in no time. This drone can be used with a free app compatible with Android and iOS devices. The app comes with some cool features such as the follow me mode, so you can take some aerial selfies or have it follow you in sports. The drone has a 6-axis gyroscope, giving it solidity to minimize any shaking. The flight time for this drone is 15 minutes, which is much longer than most other drones in this price range. The controller for this drone is reported to be comfortable and easy to use, which is another reason for anyone starting out with drones. Here we have DJI Mavic 2 Zoom. This drone uses DJI gimbal technology for its camera, ensuring smooth, stable footage in any situation. The camera is a 24 to 48mm 2x optical zoom with one 2.3 12-megapixel sensor, offering greater safety, efficiency and more creative opportunities. The flight time for this drone is 31 minutes due to its 4-cell lithium battery. The drone can also reach speeds up to 44 miles per hour, allowing you to keep up with faster objects. The low noise propellers on this drone help filming without being distracting. The transmission technology on this drone will transmit a video feed up to 5 miles away in full HD 1080p quality. The Mavic 2 Zoom had sensors on all sides of the drone to help avoid any obstacles when flying. This drone starts at around £1,200. Lastly, we have DJI Maverick Air. This drone costs under $800, making it great for users that want to upgrade their drones but are not quite ready to invest a lot of money. This drone is compact, making it easy to carry with you. It's also lightweight, making it nimble in the air but not affecting its stability. The 32-megapixel spherical panoramic camera on this drone will record 4K footage up to 100 megabytes per second and take 12-megapixel stills. The camera is mounted on a gimbal, keeping the camera stable to offer smooth and professional footage. The panorama mode allows you to take 360-degree photos. This drone also has sensors to help avoid obstacles when flying and weighs 425 grams. Thanks for watching. Let me know which one was your favorite in the comments below. Feel free to check out other videos on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest gadgets and inventions. See you in the next video.